Inumpisahan ka sa baboy talaga eh. Literal.
We're on the Maria Marketing Falls. Right there. Wait, may falling down. There. Can you see? That's it.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful, isn't it? So, how come you're not with us? Aren't you?
So, sad to your part.
So you're not with us? We invited you, but you did not allow to come.
I didn't allow to.
So what can you say is your regret and you're sorry. That's why. And listen to what they can say about to the rest of you.
The rest of you.
Hey, old man.
No comment.
Vlog. How about vlog? That's not here. Hindi ka dito. Pili ko muna. What can you say?
Kundi lang siya meron. Kundi lang ako meron.
But how about the not around?
Dapat binigay ko nila sa inyo eh. Ayan tuloy, ako nag-iisip. Bye-bye.
Ba't yan mo gamit namin, ha? Ba't yan mo gamit namin para may silbi ka? Hey, you, Betty.
Saan magkasugat tuloy ako?
Where? That's stupidity. Not the road for those.
Next time ulit.
Parang sinabi mo hindi ko masaya.
How about you, the big bump? See, that's the big bump.
Ito, kahit kaya na nagasap na mga lang iba ako.
And you, the no slip.
Bangat naman. Gusto ko yung magandang tawa.
The beautiful. Bakit? How bakit? Bansot, the small one. The Miss Abercrombie. Let's see the Abercrombie. Yes, wow, Abercrombie. What do you say about the not around?
Beautiful.
For those that are not around, that are lost,
Sorry.
you are lost in track, aren't they?
Yes.
So how about the red alert?
No comment.
You rest? No, you video. Hey, birthday boy! What?
Love it.
What do you say for those that are not around?
I shall return. Sana may next time pa.
Hey, older lady old. What can you say?
Oh, it's beautiful.
How about your camera? Your Polaroid Ultimate camera.
It's not beautiful.
It's not Polaroid.
It's full load.
Full of
Memory full.
No, you said it's battery full. Now it's my turn again. So, goodbye everyone.